Pulse. Pulse is a series of pressure wave that travels through the arteries after each ventricular contraction. Pulse is a series of pressure wave that travels through the arteries after each ventricular contraction or a systole. Here, pulse is strongest into the arteries closer to the heart, and as the pulse is get weakened away from the heart, the pulse can be felt easily in a superficial arteries. As we have discussed at the time of arteries are deeply situated inside the body, but some arteries are come towards the surface, like radial artery present at the region of wrist is generally used to take the pulse. A radial artery at the region of wrist is generally used to take a pulse. Here you can felt your pulse on the radial artery. Instead of radial artery at the wrist, carotid artery into the neck is also helpful to take the pulse. Instead of that, this pulse can be felt at a particular points on the body, as here shown into the diagram. These are the pulse point present inside the body. This one, temporal artery, where one can take a pulse, facial, carotid present into the neck, brachial, where we are going to take a blood pressure, radial at the region of wrist, femoral at the region of thigh bone, popliteal, then posterior tibial and dorsal pedis are the different regions where pulse can be felt. But out of that, which is generally used to take the pulse? Radial artery, and then carotid artery, which is present at the neck region. So this is about pulse, which can be taken at a different region. These are various regions of the body where pulse can be felt. The next, pulse rate. Pulse rate is equal to the rate of a heartbeat, and it is equal to 72 pulse per minute. One can observe, if the pulse rate is get increases than the normal range up to 100 pulse per minute or 100 beats per minute, then the condition of a heart is called as an tachycardia. At some time, adverse condition is get arised and the number of a pulse is get decrease below 60 pulse per minute, or in the relation of a heartbeat, when the rate of heartbeat get decreases below 60 per minute, then the condition is called as a bradycardia. So these are the two conditions related to the heartbeat. Increase in the rate of heartbeat called as a tachycardia, and decreasing in the rate of a heartbeat called as a bradycardia.